In this video, we'll show you how to install MySQL Server and MySQL Workbench on a Mac. Now you do have to have Mac version 10.13 or 10.12. So basically 10.12 or higher. If you do not have a Mac that has 10.12 or higher, which you can find by checking the Apple symbol and about this Mac, then let me know. Follow the link provided to the downloads page for the community version and click the download button on the first available option. Again, you don't have to sign up, just say no thanks, start my download. And then you can just open the disk image mounter. And from here, you'll double click the package installer. Hit continue, continue again, and you can agree to the terms of the license agreement. And then go ahead and hit install. You'll have to use your admin password to install. And then at this point, what you'll have installed is MySQL Server. So you don't have the Workbench installed just yet. You'll have to do one more step. The next thing we're going to do is initialize the database. So go to System Preferences and then MySQL, which should be there. All we have installed right now is the server. So from here, make sure it's green and click on Initialize Database. You can look at the configuration if you like, but click Initialize Database. And then this is important, make sure that you use the legacy password encryption. Use the legacy password encryption and enter a password for the root user. You'll have to use your own admin password to confirm this. When you are done, hit OK. And at this point, you'll have to actually start the server again. So go ahead and click Start MySQL Server. You'll have to use your admin password again. And at this point now, we just need to install the Workbench so that you can write your queries in the Workbench. So you'll need to go back to the downloads page, but this time the download page for the Workbench. There's only one option, so click Download, and then no thanks, just start my download. Install the disk image mounter and wait for the package installer to finish downloading. Once it's finished, you'll be presented with the following window where you should drag the MySQL Workbench icon into the Applications folder. And from here, you should have MySQL Workbench installed once this completes. Now you should be able to go to the Applications in the Finder and find the MySQL Workbench. Double-click to launch. And say yes, you want to open it. And from here, you should be able to, if you use the legacy, double-click the local instance in order to connect, enter the root password that you used, and you should now be able to use the MySQL Workbench.